What's up, guys? Welcome to the future, because today we are gonna be looking at this PC that you guys definitely have not seen yet. So yeah, we're gonna be switching out the air cooler that's in there currently and gonna be putting in a liquid cooler, and yeah, so let's go do that right now. Alright, so we gotta check the temps first before we go ahead and change it. But before we do that, let's get a message from our sponsors.
Hey guys, if you guys just want to skip ahead to watch the actual video, it is going to be right here, the time to skip to, so make sure you go there if you don't want to watch the whole video, but watch the whole video, you know, why not? Come on.
Oh my god, I keep dying! Hey, I hear you're having trouble with your thumbsticks. Cause I don't have any grip with them. I can't do anything with them, and people just keep beating me. You don't have enough grip? Have you heard of rogue grips? Rogue grips? No, I've never heard of those. What, they go on your controller? Oh my god! There's 8 points of contact! Oh, the ball design! Oh my god, my thumbs... Thank you! Now go get that win. It's time to murk some noobs. I always knew you could do it.
Alright guys, in all honesty and in all seriousness, these are the best grips around. There's nothing like it. It really gets your finger, and honestly it makes me play better when I use them. I highly recommend everyone go use them. If you just go to Rogue Grips, that's ROGUEGRIPS.com, and use code PJs, you get an extra 20% off, and you're getting, and they're only like $2. And if you get a mystery pack, which is like $15, you get like 30 pairs. So I highly recommend. You can sell them to your friends. Get them, guys. Use code PJs down below. I'll see you guys next time.
Alright, so we're just about halfway there. We are sitting at 48 degrees right now. Let's just let this continue going. Alright, so we got a max of 49 degrees Celsius and then the score of 3056. Alright, not bad. We're sitting at, let's just, right where we should be. We got a little bit better of a score. Alright, definitely gotta overclock this soon, but for right now, this is what we're working with. And especially this CPU, this new liquid cooler, because it's probably gonna keep a lot cooler temps, so yeah, I'm gonna be able to overclock it a lot more. So, we'll see. Alright guys, so this is the PC. Sorry if there's a little bit of echo here. I'm doing it in my dining room because I kind of just need the space. So this is the PC. So again, I said we're in the future because you guys haven't seen me build this yet. The video's coming soon, but this is coming first, and I want to get this done. So we'll just move this out of the way for right now. And let's be clear, I never added a AIO to a PC before. Actually, the build that when I built this was actually my first PC build. So, yep. Now we're getting over to the big boy stuff. So we have the Cooler Master MasterLiquid ML240L RGB. Right now I have in the Cooler Master Hyper 212X Turbo. It's a dual fan just CPU cooler. It's actually upside down. Whoops. And yeah, so I want to take this out of here. It's actually Cooler Master for Cooler Master. And yeah, so You know, before we just open this, let's open this bad boy. There we go. Right there it is. That's awesome. I've never had one, so. Alright, put that there. We have the RGB fans, which are going to be, this is going to be going on the front of the case. The front of the case does not have RGB. And it will now. This is just all the parts, thermal paste. Does not come with it. And the manual. I'm looking at this manual, let me tell you. Hopefully it's good. Alright. I didn't want the Cooler Master to be upside down. The way I'm looking at it now, it looks like it's gonna be. Alright. So what we're gonna have to do is cut cable ties. Okay. Those two fans. Get out of here, boring fan. Boom! Take these fans off. Right. It's in there, baby. Look at that.
What's up guys, it's me, Maya here. We finished the PC, it is done, all pieces are put together, it's looking beautiful. I'm gonna show you a montage of how it looks and then I'm gonna go through me like actually doing it. But just check this video, it's awesome. I also want to say, I didn't realize that the fan was working the whole video. I don't know how I didn't see that, but yeah, so sorry, nothing I can do now, deal with it. Let's go check it out. So this is gonna hopefully turn on. We don't have a monitor or anything to test it of how it's working. That will do if it turns on. Just to say, it's not gonna be these fans, all types of lights. This is just RGB, not ARGB. So it's just gonna probably be one color, probably doing something, maybe changing colors or like breathing, where it goes like black to the color and then fades to black. It keeps going back and forth. All right, so just expect that. Let's see if this works. Oh, there it is. Oh, breathing, like I said. Look at that. Now the real test is seeing if it works on a monitor. It's beautiful. All right, let's go test it out. All right, guys, so everything's done. What we need set up is set up. Let's turn it on. Let's go back here. It turns on. Now going, and let's see. Boom. Nice. Just get it up here running. Make sure everything's good. Nice. We're running at 36 idle, which we could go check how that's running. Let's do Cinebench. And we got the same tap, but that fan isn't running. So I'm gonna have to go figure that out and I'll be back. I found the culprit. Gotta do is get a little, oh man, one-handed is tough, but I got it. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Connected and boom, running. Okay. I'm gonna let that go a little through. Cool. And I'll be back. Alright, doing another one. And honestly, it's still the same. Much louder, so I gotta play around with it. Hopefully come back to you guys with something. If not, and this is where the video ends, well, sorry. All right, we're coming to the finish, and we just hit 48 degrees. All right, 2967. So yeah, I'm gonna still play around with this. I don't know why it's being the exact same. I feel like it shouldn't be doing the exact same. It should be a little bit cooler. Yeah, so I'm gonna play around with BIOS. Hopefully I'll be back. All right, so after some further analysis, we finally got a Cinebench score 1 point higher. Nice, and 1 degree lower. So we did it. To explain exactly what I did. Okay, so here I flipped these fans and now they're pulling air in, and when they were pushing air, and I had this pulling the air in, but now there's two things pulling, which I don't know how these are gonna do pulling. I might change the exhaust, but intakes, exhaust, because I have these exhausting, you know, is making the CPU hot. But yeah, so now we're getting cold air running through the fins, coming through into the PC. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. My next video, I just need to save up some money again. I pay all this stuff by myself. My sponsors help me, but for right now, I'm paying for most of the stuff out of pocket. I'm gonna be getting a vertical GPU mount. So stay tuned to that, and I appreciate it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Go check out the rest of my channel. If you like it, go check out the rest of my videos. Comment down below what you want to be seeing next, because I'm running out of ideas. Please make them cheap ideas, because you know I can't keep spending money. Maybe next I do is put my face, etch my face into the glass like I said I would. Or maybe I just actually finish this video. So we'll see you guys. Thank you guys again for stopping by. This is Officer PJs. Go check out the rest of my stuff. I am out, guys. Peace.